Hello, let's take a look on Haijiu 1000 watts new model called Wildcat. Let me show you. From Haijiu bikes, Wildcat. Let's take on the handlebar. We turn on the handlebar here. Have a button here. Don't push 3 seconds. That's on. From trunk, 1000 watts motor. We have the speed, power, battery, and the pedal assisted level, and the chip. Now it's on 0, which means this is a regular bike. Then we add speed to, like, for example, level 1. It will be e-bike. Speed limited on 15 km/h. And we use the throttle here. We twist the throttle, the motor is running, and we limit the speed on 25 km/h. With pedal assisted, it can go 50 km/h. Let me show you a different view. From front, rockshox air suspension fork, Kenda quick release hub, Sram disc brake, Samsung lithium battery 48V, 20Ah, trunk 1000 watts brushless motor torque sensor, 210n air suspension with lock here. We turn, it will be locked. Suspension structure, Kem's chain, Sram X5 derailleur with 9 gears, Kenda 26" plus 4" fat tire, EXA suspension, seatpost. This is hand adjustable with just this. There will be more top. We turn up, this will be more up. When push down, it will be more down. GL saddle from Villa. Aluminum alloy frame with flat welding. Very pretty, you can see. Very smooth. All the welding is very smooth. This is our brand Haijiu. Sram brake lever G2. Sram X5 derailleur shift. Let's see from here. We push, and here we push here for less gear, and we push here again for more gears. Here and here. Battery is here. Samsung lithium battery, 48V, 20Ah. This is the battery's lock. Turn, the battery will be out. And this is the charger for the battery here. You can see inside. Trunk 1000 watts torque sensor motor. We limit speed on 50 km/h. With the pedal assisted, this bike can go over 100 kilometers. You can see from bottom view. The rockshox air suspension fork is very comfortable, and also the 210n air suspension, which makes the bike riding very comfortable. You will love it. Thank you.